here's the website from Stock Drive Products. I've chosen them because they have a selection of diameters plus or minus from the nominal size I'm looking at. And I'm going with they call it the Fairlock hub. I have a spreadsheet here I'll switch over to for a second. Here's another picture of it. They got a couple different hubs, as you can see here, but the split one here is really ideal because it doesn't have the set screw on a flat on a shaft. That seems to be problematic on the CNC builds that I've been reading about. That creates backlash, or it gets loose and you lose position. I don't want to lose position over something stupid like a set screw got loose on my shaft. So I'm going with the Fairlock hub. This pulley is, this pulley costs about, it's $26. It's the 36 tooth pulley. And they also have anywhere from 18 to 45 teeth on the pulley, which equates to, in diameter, outside diameter, 0.647 to 1.662. So I think I'm at 1.323, so I can go up or down. And you see the largest one down there. I want to make sure that if I buy that one in the future, it will fit. So I'm actually going to plan for a 2-inch diameter pulley, and to get the screws laid out on my machine and have clearance for everything. That's my goal. So this is a little overview. I recommend, if you're doing this project, to keep track of things on a spreadsheet. This is Google Sheets. Use whatever you want, but this is pretty handy because you can access it from any device, anywhere. It's all on the cloud. Thanks.